I've kept my heart inside a box, threw away the key.
Hi guys, welcome back. So we have a different video for you today. I am going to be creating this look, really quick, easy tutorial so you know exactly what I do and what products I use when I'm going for that epic evening glam look. So do let me know in the comments below if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, and also what kind of looks you want to see, because I want to do a lot more. So yeah, let's get into it.
I've kept my heart inside a box, threw away the key. You found your way under my skin, now I come undone. The walls that I built on weakest paper, my castle is falling from the sky. Ain't nobody else have made me lose my grip before. Yeah, I come undone. Once fast asleep, both night and day, now I'm wide awake. My world is turning all upside down. Oh, I come undone. The walls that I built on weakest paper, my castle is falling from the sky. Ain't nobody else have made me lose my grip before. Yeah, I come undone. Oh yeah. Will you catch my fall? Or will you carry me home? 'Cause I can't hold on, gotta let myself go for you. Can you show me how? Or can I learn to be free? Oh, 'cause I'm too afraid, but there's no turning back from here. Hope you remain right next to me as days turns to years. Say, can you hear the bells singing our song as I come undone? The walls that I built on weakest paper, my castle is falling from the sky. Ain't nobody else have made me lose my grip before. Yeah, I come undone.
So this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. Do give it a thumbs up and comment below if you liked it, because I really love makeup, so I'd love to do more of this kind of thing on my channel. Also, all the products that I've used on the face will be linked in the description box below. Also, my IGTVs are very similar, lots more makeup and fashion videos on there, so go give me a follow on Instagram if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.
Yeah, I come undone.